Hi, this is Brian with Sun Services. As a service to our customers and friends, we wanted to make you aware of a trend we're seeing in older, ill-maintained air conditioners. We have named this S.A.C.K, as short for Sudden Air Conditioner Kaboom, and it's turning backyards across America into minefields.
This sure is fun.
Sudden air conditioner kaboom is real, and it's threatening families everywhere. Don't get sacked by your old air conditioner. Call us today to give you a proper tune-up. Do it for the children.
Kids, how are you feeling? Kids, how are you feeling?